Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at which crypto exchange offers the best fixed and flexible savings API in 2026. Alright, in this particular video, we're going to use coinEx as a case study because you all know it's an exchange I cherish a lot. Because the exchange is perfect when it has to do with security, savings in the earning sections, both flexible and fixed. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across this amazing channel, do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So have you ever wondered which crypto exchange lets the developers access savings products at all time? When it's safe, it has to do with fixed and also has to do with flexible. So we're going to look at what is even this fixed or flexible first. We're going to start by the flexible savings. Flexible savings, as you all know, is flexible as the name implies. You can take your fund anytime. Your fund is available anytime. And also your earnings is also available daily. So flexible savings, you can deposit and redeem anytime, and interest compounds daily. What about the fixed savings? The fixed savings is now the opposite of the flexible savings. Fixed savings, you lock your assets for a term to get a higher expectation returns. And I'm going to use the coinEx. Okay, I will explain to you right now. I will show you also the differences in the flexible savings and also in the fixed savings visually. Okay, so let's quickly look at it so that we can understand how those things works visually. So permit me to open up on the coinEx so that we can see the differences between the savings and also the differences between the fixed savings and also the flexible savings. Now let's dive into it for more.
So here we are in coinEx. Remember we're talking about the flexible savings and also the fixed savings. The first thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this mall. After coming to this mall, you're going to click on more. So clicking on the more, you're going to navigate yourself to where there is flexible savings and also there is fixed savings. This is where actually we're talking about. So I need you to understand that coinEx offers these two saving mode, the fixed savings and the flexible savings, which will explains the difference in the past video. A couple of seconds ago we explained right about the two fixed savings and also the flexible savings. Okay, we said fixed savings, which is this particular one. Look at it here, which is this particular one, fixed savings. So we said fixed savings is the kind of savings that you lock your fund, you can take them anytime, and when you breach them, it's going to attract some charges. Okay, and flexible savings, which are these ones here. Flexible savings are kind of savings that you can do your returns is daily, and you can cash out all your fund at any time. Okay, you can cash out all your fund at any time, include your fund and also including the profit. Okay, it's due daily, but fixed savings is there until the duration is over. Okay, so these are the difference. So we're going to start by looking at the fixed savings. If you come to the fixed savings, you see some coins like USDC, USDT, ETH, BTC. All these ones are stable coins. Okay, so Coming to this place now, if you stake USDC, you're gonna going to see this is how much percentage you're gonna going to get, 6.5% to 7%. But if you stake USDT, this is what you get, almost the same thing. If you take ETH, this is what you get, almost the same thing. If you stake BTC, this is what you get, almost the same thing. So this coinEx offers one of the best savings plan or savings product that you can do and earn profit. Your savings volume will always appear here, do not forget. All right, so this is very simple, and these are kind of things you should involve yourself in. And I'm telling you right that the coinEx has the best savings products in 2026. Okay, so without waste of time, let's go to look at the flexible. Since I've seen the fix, let's go to look at the flexible savings, which is this one. All right, let's quickly look at the flexible savings. And as we said, flexible savings, you can take it anytime, and the returns is always also daily. All right, you can see there are a lot of stable coins here, and also other coins here as well that you can stake, that you can use as savings product. You can see in this savings, flexible savings, it pays a lot. You can see USDT, you get 15%, which is over times 2 of fixed savings. You can see the USDC, which is also a stable coin, get the same thing, which is over times 2 of the fixed savings. You can see the USDT as well, and so much more. You can see all of them here. All these you can save them in flexible, and you can gain a reasonable return, which is going to be daily, and all your capital can be cash out immediately, which is why I consider this to have the best, this coinEx to have the best savings products. Okay, now that you have seen all of this, you have seen the difference right here. All you just need to do is to dive into my descriptive sessions and use the referral links there to sign up for this coinEx account, so that you can start enjoying the best savings product of 2026. So this brings us to the end of this particular video. If this, all you just need to do is to subscribe, like the videos, and also share, so that a lot of people can gain value from it, and also start savings without stress, and also gain a reasonable profit. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.